Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we're doing an experiment, and yeah, so we have a bag. That means we have a review. Let's see who this is from. So I'm using the camera today. We'll see how this all goes, right? Whoop, got things left and right. Whoop, more things left and right. All right. And this comes from DIY Digital Art. And we have magnets. If I can get it out of there. Oh, that's attractive. And let's just get rid of that. We have the spring one from the spring kit. I don't know. Did I get spring before? I think I got winter. So this is spring. And I'm not going to try to get the deal off of it. But yeah. And these magnets are $2 each. Now I don't know if they're still on sale. It's been a hot moment, but yeah, and it's not their fault, trust me. Oh, well that's attractive. Yep, I got, oh no, I thought it said spring. I thought I got 2 springs. Yep, no, the other one is summer. So these are the new ones. They came out the same time as the peony and the one with the blue, I'll just show you. This one, they all came out at the same time. So this one says summer. Hopefully that's focusing, okay? Oh my goodness. So, yep, we had to have those. So, then we have a kit, and it's a 14 count. And it is a Wanna Be Joy Sunday. Isn't that cool? And it was $7.50, and it is 30 by 44. Put that up there. Sorry for the mess on my desk, but it is what it is. So, isn't that pretty? Yeah, and it's going to have some back stitching. It doesn't look like a whole lot. I mean, you got a little spider web you're going to have to contend with, but yeah. Nice pattern book. The pattern book will not match the canvas. It has 30 colors. So, yeah. Whoops. Oh, I can still reach the bell. Yeah, this is precarious at best, but very nice, nicely printed pattern. So, yeah, but I just thought that was gorgeous. It's all summery or springy and summery-ish. Yeah, spring, summer, you know, with hot weather when all those flowers are there, right? And let's take a look at the colors. Does come with 2 needles and all your colors. Whoop, it's attached. Sorry. I know. This is going to be fun. But just lovely, lovely colors. Just absolutely beautiful. Love them. Nice, bright, cherry colors. Yeah, we needed cherry. And if I did this one, I am going to do it in, what do you call it? In half cross stitch. This just has back stitching, back stitching and cross stitch. Okay, it's 42 and a half, almost 43, by 29. And the whole thing is, actual size should say, is almost 9 inches across, or 22 centimeters by 35 centimeters. So, yeah, very nicely printed. all the colors, you know, they're all different. Let me see if I can turn that off. That'll get better. There we go. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Love it. And it's got the product numbers that are on the front page. It says Morning Glory and Hummingbird. So, yeah. And it's a partial. So, yay. I can't see if I don't have my light on. I'm so sorry. There we go. We'll turn it the opposite way. Now the next one's kind of big. It is a 48 by 63. And it was $13.75. Get it out of the baggie. Lots of colors. Does come with a toolkit. This one has, we'll call it Bambi. Bambi on it. Comes with a needle, 5 needles, poof. Okay, yep, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. And here is the picture. Let's hope that all this goes together, because it's not the same store or anything, you know. But yeah, I just thought she was beautiful. Look at all those colors. Let's see. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It has 48 colors. Nice big pattern though. That is, if I can get it undone here. Very nice, very easy to read. I'm glad they're making their patterns a lot bigger. I don't know why that won't focus. Don't know why. Well, let's just hope this turns out. There we go. Maybe if I don't move it too fast. There you go. So, nice big pattern. Everything matches. Let's take a look. Let's put that up there. Put that over there. I can't reach all that way. It's a work in progress, guys. Hang in there. So we have, let's look at the colors first, for crying out loud. That's the best part, is it not? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 hanks of thread. You have $7.29. You have $7.83, which is kind of a gold. It's looking yellow right there. Sorry. And then another darker gold, which is $9.76. And then you have a pale pink, which is $8.19. Put this up here. I like to keep them all together. Let's see if we can get this unwound. There we go. So, lovely, beautiful colors. Golds, teals. I can't even tell what color that is. Purple. Just lots of lovely colors. This looks like 3865. But I love the teals in there. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Whoops. And then, if you think those are gorgeous, just wait. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful, beautiful colors. And then we have lots of reds and oranges and purples. It looks like 550 purple. It might not be. We have a little bit of 310. But yeah, just beautiful, beautiful colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at all that. Yummy. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to hit everybody. We will figure this out, because this is not quite satisfactory for me yet today. But I couldn't figure it out any other way, so, you know, like I said, work in progress, folks. Okay, very stiff canvas. Nice key. It is serged all the way around. Come back this way a little bit. Very well printed. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square on this side too as well. And it is an 11 count, so it's very easy to see. Looks like there's going to be some confetti places, but it does have some bigger areas up in here. So yeah, and then like at the bottom of her, what is that thing called? Kimono. Wow, words are hard today. Yeah, it's like walking and chewing gum today. So hang in there, folks. We are going to get this. We're going to figure this out one way or another. But I think I have a plan. So I can't read that. Okay. Total canvas is 61 centimeters. Going that way. This way is 54 and a half or 21 and a half inches by 48 and a half. Well, we'll call it 48 or 19. I've been outside. What can I say? It's been windy. 21 and a half or 16 inches. So it's maybe a 16 by 20. But yeah, very well printed. I don't see any smears or anything. But very nice. Very, very, very nice. I like the dark. Put that down. The dark colors. Yeah, I know it's upside down. But the symbols are very easy to see and read and all that. And I like it serged all the way around. Sorry, couldn't think of the word. I'm telling you. Alright, so that is it from DIY Digital Art. They have diamond painting, cross stitch, probably paint by number, and they have tools and kits for both of those. They have beaded cross stitch and embroidery. They have a separate Joy Sunday section, and I know they have custom, but I'm not sure, you know, what's included in custom. And if there's any specials or anything, I will put that in the description box below. Thank you, DIY Digital Art, for sending me these beautiful kits. Love them all. Yeah, gonna have to start something soon. Yeah, because I'm really liking that 14 count and a half stitch, because it's going pretty fast. I like that. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.